Hello guys! Welcome back ulit dito sa aking page. So for this video, we will factor this expression 3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18x. So as you can see, cube na po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. And we also have a coefficient of our x cubed, which is a 3. So if ganito po yung expression na ipa-factor po sa atin, the first thing that you have to do is to check what are common between these terms. So first term, meron tayong 3x cubed. Second term is meron tayong 3x squared. The third one is meron tayong 18x. So let's first check or evaluate kung ano yung common between the three. So basically, by looking at it, merong common dito. First, itong si x. Okay? All the terms, meron pong x. So, ang gagawin ninyo is you have to factor out the x. So, write muna natin, lagay natin dito sa x. Next, ano pang common? Okay, ano pang common between the three? So, makikita natin dito, we have 3, yung kanyang coefficient, dito 3, at dito 18. So, ano yung pwede nating i-factor out? As you can see, ang pinakamaliit po dito na coefficient is si 3. So, if we will factor out 3, anong mangyayari? So, let's try. Let's put 3 here. Is 18 divisible by 3? I think 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, pwede natin siyang i-factor out si 3. So, if we will factor out 3, let me rewrite it again. Okay, let's use color red. So, we will factor out 3x na. So, tapos, ang magiging matitira ay, of course, that's 3x cubed divided by 3x squared. So, ilagay natin dito sa baba. Okay, 3x cubed, okay, divided by 3x. So, of course, that will become 1. Tapos, x cubed divided by x. Diba, of course, sa properties of exponent, that's x 3 minus 1. So, magiging x squared. So, ilalagay natin dito is x squared. Next, I see 3x. Okay, 3x squared. Okay, lalagyan natin siya dito. 3x squared divided by 3x. Itong na-factor out natin. So, again, that will become 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Tapos, yung x ay subtract natin yung kanyang exponent. So, that's 2 minus 1. So, magiging x na lang siya. X raised to 1 or x. So, lagay natin dito. Copy natin yung operation, negative, and then x. Okay, and lastly, si 18x. Okay, 18x. Okay, divide natin ng 3x. So, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, tapos x divided by x is 1. So, x na lang po yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay, that's minus 6. Okay, minus 6. So, ayan, meron na tayo. And then, of course, take note na this expression here, ito, pwede pa natin yan i-factor. So, copy muna natin si 3x. Okay? And then, let's factor out the remaining ito. This is a quadratic expression. So, maglalagay tayo dito. Okay, ng x because that's x squared. So, lagay natin x, x. And think of a number na if i-multiply natin siya, the answer is negative 6. Pero pag i-add natin yung number na yon, it will give us negative 1. Kasi understandable na po na meron pong negative 1 dyan as a coefficient of x. So, we think of a number that pwede nating i-multiply na ang outcome ay 6. What do you think? Okay, so we have, diba, negative 3 and positive 2. So if we will multiply negative 3 and positive 2, it will become negative 6. And if we will add negative 3 plus positive 2, okay, the answer is negative 1, which is this one. As I have said earlier, meron na po yung negative 1 dyan. Understandable na po yan na may negative 1 na coefficient. So basically, ang ilalagay natin dito na answer is negative 3 and positive 2. So ito na po yung ating answer as the factor sa ating expression na 3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18x.